Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding a zombie villager. Listen for villager moans and watch for patched clothing. Immediately trap it in a small, dark enclosure so it cannot despawn or burn in sunlight. Make sure there are no other hostile mobs nearby. While you work, prepare a splash potion of weakness. Either craft it or convert a potion into a splash and hold a golden apple in your hotbar. Once the villager is secured, you're ready for the conversion step. Once the zombie villager shows the weakness effect, you must right-click it with the golden apple. This is an intentional player interaction, not feeding. You'll see red hearts and swirl particles indicating the process started. The transformation takes time, usually 2 to 5 minutes, so block the entry and light the area to avoid interruptions. During that wait, keep watch for creepers or skeletons and make sure you do not accidentally hit the mob, which can reset or kill it. When conversion finishes, the zombie villager becomes a regular villager with green particles. You now have a friendly villager that will trade. If nothing happens, first confirm the splash potion actually hit and that you used the golden apple interact. If the mob took damage from other sources, it may die before converting, so prevent hits and explosions. If it despawned, next time attach a name tag or trap it in a 2-block high, fully enclosed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.